In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable zoom on iPad Air or iPad Pro. So you can easily magnify your zoom screen, maybe by triple tap with your 3 fingers or double tap with 3 fingers on your iPad. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to zoom on iPad. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable zoom on iPad, all you just need to do is go to your iPad settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Under General, locate Accessibility and click on that. Then locate Zoom. Tap that. Once you click on that, you see to zoom magnifies the entire screen, turn this on. Then you should see the entire screen magnified based on the setup. Then you can just toggle this off. However, double tap 3 fingers to zoom. Drag 3 fingers to move around the zoom. Double tap 3 fingers and drag to change zoom. Now, once you enable zoom on your iPad, you can just press the home button and you should see everywhere zoom out. Now to move zoom on your iPad, you need to use your 3 fingers like this. So you see that? 3 fingers. So you're going to use 3 fingers. You can just adjust this like this or drag the zoom on your iPad. Now to change zoom, all you just need to do is just double tap 3 times. Then you see that? It's going to show option to zoom out. Then if you use your 3 fingers to triple tap, then you should see the zoom function again. Zoom in, repeat the process. Then you can resize lens. So this is how you can resize the zoom lens. Then you can repeat the process again. You see that? So once you double tap, this is going to turn off zoom and then enable zoom on your iPad. Now triple tap on your iPad screen, then choose filter. To filter, use inverted color, grayscale inverted or low light. Then you can also choose your controller to use this as controller. So instead of using the resize screen lens, to zoom in, triple tap again, then triple tap to zoom out. So that's how you can easily enable zoom on iPad. Found this offer informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.